This is your go-to tutorial for every dipping nail lover looking to create floral nail art with dip powder effortlessly. You don't have to forcefully seek to achieve a perfect floral design in one shot, but grabbing your precision tool to sculpt the powder in and out is a great hack to refine your petals dramatically. The newbies with difficulty in brush control should consider roughly dotting where the petals go first, then deforming for slim petals by filling in liquid and refining the shape to create a more natural flower look. Super Shine powder, for example, the Aqua Aurora, is fantastic for any precise hand painting design, giving a glossy shine while being easy to reform and shape without staining your base or messing up your nail surface. But make sure to dust off the excess powder only after your design has completely dried, or it will take many precious sparkles away and even accidentally damage the delicate prints. Last but not least, seal your design with this must-have sheer clear powder to prevent removing the super shine by filing easily and keep your flawless nail look.